searching for the man. He asked the man for what he could spare with shame in his eyes. Get a job, you fucking slobs, all he replied. But God forbid you ever had to walk a mile in his shoes. Then you really might know what it's like to sing the blues. And then you really might know what it's like. And then you really might know what it's like. And then you really might know what it's like. And then you really might know what it's like. Mary got pregnant from a kid named Tom, said he was in love.